Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat profile picture. So let's get started. So changing Snapchat profile picture is very easy. First you have to open your Snapchat. On the left hand side you can see your profile. All you have to do is click over there. Alright, here you have to tap on your background, and here follow the step in the video. So here click on change selfie, and here you can choose your selfie again. So choose anyone that you like. Alright, now all you have to do is click on done. So this is one method to change your Snapchat profile picture, and the next method you can follow is add a story. And now click on add to my story, and now click your picture, and you can add it as a story and it will be displayed on your profile. Keep in mind that you have to do it every 24 hours so your profile picture will remain the same. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.